Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Charge canvas skateboarding shoe. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Charge canvas skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in a UK size 9 or US size 10 and in the black-white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, flipping up the box lid and taking a look directly in the box. Let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Charge canvas skateboarding shoe. And you can see the black-white colorway right there. Let's lift this pair out first, or this side out, the left foot side. And just taking a look as it is right here. So you can see that high contrast black and white colorway. And it does have a dark brown sole. Okay, so setting the box to the side so that it doesn't take away from the foreground. And now let's take a good and detailed look at this left foot side of the Nike SB Charge canvas skateboarding shoe. So this pair, as I mentioned, is in the UK size 9 or US size 10, and taking a look directly at the front, you can see that very crisp white midsole, and it is vulcanized, so you can see that it does wrap around the textile or fabric upper of the shoe. And as we move upwards, you can see the Nike SB Charge branding on the tongue of the skateboarding shoe. So it does look very similar to the Nike SB Check. However, I've noticed that the stitching detail is a lot closer with the double stitching as compared to the Nike SB Check. The SB Charge has closer double stitching, and also it does have a smaller swoosh as compared with the Nike SB Check, and it does have stitching around the heel collar of the shoe as well when compared to the Nike SB Check. And even the outsole or sole of the Nike SB Charge is identical to that of the Nike SB Check, with this starlight pattern radiating from the forefoot pivot circle, as you can see right there. And with Nike swoosh towards the back or heel area of the shoe. I'm just going to give you a look at the flex test as well. It's right here, nice and soft, so pretty flexible for good board feel. And of course, that low profile outsole. I can push and feel it flex right there. You can see just how soft that is. So giving you plenty of board feel and control right there. So once again, taking a close-up look at or from a different angle, you can see that canvas upper or textile upper. And the lace eyelets. And the heel area as well, so you can see, giving you various aspects of this left foot side of the Nike SB Charge canvas skateboarding shoe. So right there, plenty flexible, this pair of Nike SB Charge skateboarding shoe is. And let's pop the paper stuffing out from inside and just take a look into the foot area of the shoe. So right there, giving you a look at the details up close. So you can see it does have the very cushy Solarsoft sock liner or insole with that blue border around the sock liner. So giving you a much closer up look right there. You can see the Solarsoft branding right there. So that provides plenty of cushioning as well as comfort with that distinctive blue outline on the sock liner. So just going to rotate this left foot side right round so you can see in full detail. And just going to tidy up that lace right there. And showing you the inside side of the left foot. Okay, so there we go. So that's the left foot side. Let's take a look at the right foot side. And of course, this pair being made from canvas is quite light. So going to set that left foot side on the right hand side of the frame, if that's confusing enough. And now we can focus on the right foot side by taking out the right foot side from the box. So right here we do have the right foot side of the Nike SB Charge canvas skateboarding shoe. So giving you an all-round look once again, but this time the right foot of course, and once again giving you some close-up details right there of the vulcanized midsole that wraps onto the textile canvas upper of the skateboarding shoe. And of course showing you the padding around the stitched heel collar or ankle collar right there. So decent padding right round to protect you from impacts around the ankle and heel area. And of course that overall low cut or low rise design. And once again we see that Solarsoft sock liner inside for comfort and cushioning. And just going to spin it very quickly right round. And a quick flex test, the stuffing is inside. And right there. Okay, so now showing you both sides of the Nike SB Charge canvas skateboarding shoe, side by side. So you can see in the black-white colorway, very high contrast with those two white swooshes and of course that vulcanized midsole extending towards the canvas upper and the dark brown outsole as well. Very grippy, as you can see right there, with that radiating starlight pattern from the ball of the foot. So that's the Nike SB Charge Canvas skateboarding shoe. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!